So for the cross, we're going to need white yarn, another color yarn, the pre-cut plastic canvas, needle, and a cutter. These all come in a kit available. And to start, we take our white yarn, and you want to anchor it, which is basically you're going to go through on your continental stitch. Stitches are included in instructions in the kit. And you'll leave a bit of a tail in the back, and you continue on with your continental stitch, kind of wrapping around that tail. Super easy. You can start anywhere you want. It doesn't really matter. And you're going to fill this entire cross magnet with the continental stitch in white. Now sometimes as I'm working on projects, watching TV or whatever, I get boo-boos. What happened? You got all wrapped around. What in the world? It's simple. Just unwrap it, unknot it. Sometimes I just will hold it up high and let the needle dangle and it'll unwrap itself. Nothing that can't be fixed. And so we're going along the edges with pink is included in the kit, but other colors are available. And there we go, all finished. Glue the magnet on the back, you're done. Nice.